Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're going to look at how to archive boards on Pinterest. So archiving boards is a good idea if you have a board that's not performing well, but maybe you don't want to delete it totally. You can archive it and it will still be there for later if you want to put it back into your main board selection. So to start with, head to your boards and find the board that you want to archive. You're going to click on it, then you're going to find the three dots. So click on the three dots and click on archive, and your board will be archived. So I'll show you where archive boards go. So at the bottom of all your boards, you will find the section that says archive boards. You can see here. So if you want to reinstate that board, you can click on it, click on the three dots again and click on unarchive, and it will be put back into your main board section. Okay, I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you soon.